Ooh! I wish I could see rainbows every day, Gran Gran.
Oh, me too, Jojo. But that's what makes rainbows special. We can only see them when it's rainy and sunny at the same time, which isn't very often.
It looks a bit like a bridge.
It does, doesn't it? A very colourful bridge.
How many colours are in the rainbow, Gran Gran?
Well, most people say there are 7 colours in a rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet.
Indigo and violet?
Indigo is a really dark blue and violet is the purple bit.
Oh, like panda!
Like panda. You know, Jojo, if you look closely, you can see the colours of the rainbow all around us. Red. Orange.
Yellow!
Hi, Ned.
Green.
Blue. Indigo and violet too.
Violet's the purple bit, Panda.
How are you enjoying the art gallery, Jojo?
It's really, really, really fun. But...
But no pandas.
yeah, no pandas.
You know, Jojo, art isn't just for looking at.
Really?
Really? I think you're going to enjoy the final stop on the tour.
Yes.
This is the craft station. Everything you need to make your own pieces of art.
Oh, how exciting! I hope this all fits in my bag, Jojo.
Is that a panda painting I see?
Do you like it, Marie?
It's a mini masterpiece. I think you've made enough art to fill the whole gallery.
That gives me an idea for a Gran Gran plan.
What do you want to show us, Jojo?
Daddy, Mummy, pandas and dinosaurs, welcome to the grand opening of JoJo and Gran Gran's Garden Gallery.
The tour is starting. Follow me. This is called Queen Panda.
Oh, wow. Queen Panda.
Oh, yes, very regal.
This is called Panda and the Trumpet Flowers.
Ooh.
Wow. And what's this painting of, Jojo?
This is an abstract painting, Daddy. It's not meant to look like anything.
Well, when I look at this painting, I see my favourite artist, Jojo.
And I see a very proud mummy, daddy.
And Gran Gran.
I think the roses have wilted, Gran Gran. They look very droopy.
Well, they were beautiful while they lasted, Jojo. And this means it's time to check on our pressed flower.
Can I open it?
Ah?
The pressed flower's amazing, Gran Gran. It hasn't wilted or gone droopy at all. Can we keep it forever?
Well, not forever. But if you look after it, a pressed flower can last for a long time.
How long?
Let me show you. This is my wedding album. There's lots of photos and special memories in here. Look at all the guests.
Wow.
Who's that?
Great Gran Gran! You all look very happy.
Oh, we were. It was a very happy day.
And Grandad's wearing a rose.
I told you it was his favourite flower. Now, this photo was taken over 40 years ago. But here's the rose from Grandad's jacket today.
I think that flower is very special, Gran Gran. Gran Gran, there's nothing new to discover in the park. We've been here lots and lots and lots of times.
Come back, Monty!
Monty! Wait for us!
There you are, Monty!
Cynthia! You found Monty!
Actually, Monty found me.
Thanks, Cynthia. Come on, Monty. That's enough discovering for you today. See you later, everyone.
Bye!
Bye.
We've never been here before, Gran Gran.
It's the community garden. Cynthia volunteers here.
That's right. I check on the plants, pick up litter, that sort of thing.
Ooh. Gran Gran! Look!
Oh.
These are our nesting boxes.
Monty did discover something new. A bird city!
Bird City. I like that.
Good job, Panda.
If we want lots of different insects to visit the Bug Hotel, we need to fill the rooms with different materials. I know that ladybirds like straw. Bees like nooks and crannies.
Aha!
Oh, that bamboo will do nicely, Gran Gran. And beetles like dry leaves.
I know where we can find dry leaves. Ta-da!
Oh, this is the best bug hotel I've ever seen.
Where are all the insects?
Oh, they're all still busy in the garden, Jojo.
Oh, but it looks like our first visitor has just arrived.
The ladybird. And it's chosen the straw room.
It could take a while for the other insects to check in, but when they're ready, the bug hotel will start to get very busy indeed.
Ooh. The bug hotel still looks empty.
Take a closer look, Jojo.
Oh, good morning, Beetle. Welcome to our bug hotel. There are lots of dry leaves for you to enjoy. We built the bamboo room especially for you, Bee. I hope you like the nooks and crannies. Oh, Ladybird. Hope you enjoyed your stay.
Come back again soon.
It looks like lots of busy insects are enjoying the Bug Hotel, Jojo.
Really? Wow!
Oh, wow.